let's ride, ladies. Oh my, thank you, Ryan. Thank you to Pendleton Whiskey, Coors, Regular, the Big Bull, Lewiston Roundup, Idaho Central Credit Union, Lucky Acres Fencing, Clearwater River Casino, Adams Tractor, Assist to Sell, Discovery Real Estate, Atlas Sand and Rock, Avista, Bell Equipment, Main Country, Bitterroot Consulting, Catalyst Medical Group, CAT, CCI Sphere, Century 21, Choice Keeper, Christie's Goals Assist to Sell, CHS Primeline, Clearwater Paper, Caloric Farms, Guardian Plumbing and Heating, On Rental, Pepsi, Idaho Forest Group, Inland Cellular, Celtic Engineering, Lewis Farm Credit Union, Lewiston Morning Tribune, North 40 Outfit, Red Pheasant Water Company, Ritz Express Car Wash, R&R RV, Rustabaki, Urinary Clinic, St. Joseph Medical Center, Rye State Hospital, and Wind River Medical. Those are the colors of the Lewiston Roundup. Those are the colors of professional rodeo. Those are the people that have made this event possible for the 87th time. It is a sheep.